The Indigenous People of Biafra, IPOB, has issued a strong call to the Nigerian Bar Association, NBA, urging the country's foremost legal body to clarify the constitutional and legal grounds upon which its detained leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, continues to be prosecuted by the federal government. In a detailed statement released on Thursday by its spokesperson, Comrade Emma Powerful, IPOB, expressed deep concern over what it described as a fundamental legal irregularity surrounding Kanu's ongoing trial. The group questioned why the NBA, an association that positions itself as the moral and professional guardian of Nigeria's legal community, has remained silent amid growing doubts about the legitimacy of the proceedings. According to the statement, IPOB believes that the association's silence amounts to a dereliction of duty, particularly at a time when national and international attention remains focused on Nigeria's judicial integrity. Instead of renting washed-out and poorly lettered individuals who parade themselves on television and social media to comment on matters far above their understanding, the Nigerian Bar Association, NBA, should do one very simple thing since the court has refused to do it, the statement read in part. The group further challenged the NBA to publicly identify the specific law under which Nnamdi Kanu is currently being tried, describing this as a matter of national importance and legal transparency. Let the NBA, as the supposed guardian of legal conscience in Nigeria, tell the world under what extant and subsisting law Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is being tried today. Just one question, not two, not three. Under what law? IPOB demanded. Comrade Powerful alleged that the legislation under which Kanu was initially charged had already been repealed, suggesting that the courts and relevant legal authorities have deliberately avoided addressing this legal vacuum. Because the last time we checked, the law under which he was allegedly charged has been repealed, and the court itself seems too shy or too complicit to admit that elementary fact, he stated. He criticized what he described as the judiciary's reluctance to confront this issue head-on, accusing certain commentators and analysts of trivializing a matter that strikes at the heart of Nigeria's legal credibility. So, instead of entertaining retired commentators, recycled legal analysts, and political errand boys who can barely interpret a traffic sign, the NBA should kindly step forward and help Nigerians understand what law is actually in operation here, the IPOB spokesperson added. IPOB also accused the judiciary of abandoning its constitutional responsibility to uphold justice and fairness, calling on the NBA to demonstrate courage and transparency by clarifying whether the rule of law still prevails in the country. If the judiciary won't say it, the NBA should. Unless, of course, they too have decided that the rule of law is now a suggestion, not a standard, Powerful declared. He further emphasized that IPOB was not seeking sympathy from any quarter, but merely demanding clarity and accountability within the nation's legal framework. We are not asking for magic. We are asking for truth, the same truth the NBA once claimed to defend. The world is watching, and history is taking notes, he said. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, leader of the proscribed Indigenous People of Biafra, has been in detention since June 2021, following his extraordinary rendition from Kenya. He currently faces multiple charges, including treasonable felony and incitement, accusations that his legal team and human rights organizations insist violate both Nigerian constitutional provisions and international legal norms. The IPOB statement adds another dimension to the prolonged controversy surrounding Kanu's trial, a case that continues to test the independence of Nigeria's judiciary and the consistency of its democratic institutions.